Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blog from your Wix website. Whether you're restructuring your site or simply no longer need the blog section, this process will help you remove it cleanly from your Wix setup. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from here, click on Website. This takes you to the specific website management area where you can control your site settings and structure. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Make sure that this is the website you wish to delete a blog on. It's always good to double check that you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites under one account. This small verification step prevents any accidental deletions on the wrong site. Next, from this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This action will redirect you to the Wix website editor screen, where you'll have full control over your site's design and layout. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. From here, locate the Pages and Menu button and click on it. The menu will expand, and from here you can see a list of all the pages you have on your website. This section is where you manage everything from your homepage to individual service pages and, of course, your blog. Now from here, locate the Blog Pages section. Under the blog pages, you'll see a gear icon next to it. Click on that gear icon and a small menu will appear. From here, select Delete Blog. This option will permanently remove the blog section from your website, including all associated blog pages and posts. And that's it. You've successfully removed the blog from your Wix website. This cleanup can help streamline your site and focus your content on what matters most to your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.